Enrichment families. Welcome to Story Time. This week we're going to be launching our alphabet letter lessons and our number lessons. So with our introduction to the alphabet and numbers, we're going to read Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, and we have some fun crafts for you too. First up is Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. It's written by Bill Martin. Bill Martin wrote the words to the story, and it's illustrated by Lois Alert. And Lois drew the pictures. Let's see what's going on with Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Got some nice colorful letters up here. Let's see. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. A told B and B told C, I will meet you on top of the coconut tree. We, said D to E, F, and G, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, will there be enough room? Here comes H, coming up the coconut tree. And I and J and Tagalong K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, will there be enough room? Look who's coming. It's L, M, N, O, and P. And Q, R, and S, and T, U, and V. Still more are coming. W, and X, and Y, and Z. Well, the whole alphabet up on the... Oh, no. Oh, no. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Was there enough room? Skit, scat, scoodle, doot, flip, flop, flee. Everybody's running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears and dust on their pants. Help us, cried A, B, and C. Next from the pile up, skinned knee D, and stubbed toe E, and patched up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. H is all tangled up with I, and J and K are about to cry. L is knotted up like a tie. Where is L? Look at L's all knotted up. Well, M is looped and N is stooped. O is twisted all ollie-oop. Skit, scat, scoodle, doot, flip, flop, flee. Look who's coming. It's Black-Eyed P. And there's Q and R and S and loose tooth T. My goodness. Then U, V, W, all wiggle jiggle free. Last to come, it's X, Y, and Z. And the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, look. It's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Is there going to be enough room? I hope you all enjoyed the story. We'll see you soon. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom.
Boom, boom, chicka chicka, boom boom.